Hi, Assalamu alaikum. How is everyone doing today? Today we are going to make one starter, and in every restaurant whenever we go, we definitely order this starter. A lot of people started. This is a dry chicken. It's called chicken 65. So everybody orders this chicken. This is very good, very nice dish to have as a starter. So starter, appetizer, whatever you call that. So we are gonna make this appetizer today. There's a name is 65. It has a lot of stories behind that name. So there's a few I'm gonna tell you, but I believe in one of them, but not all of them. One is, it says this dish is invented in 1965. That's why they said it's 65. And another story says it goes 65 spices in there, and that's why the name came 65. But I don't think this many spices goes. I think maybe 15 or 16 spices goes in there, not 65. Another one is, I believe is this is a right one. There's a hotel for the military. Whenever the military people goes to get the in the hotel their food, this dish was in the sequence number 65. So they don't have the time to read what name is the chicken, so they used to call them, hey, can you give me the 65? So that's why they got chicken 65. So that's why this name got chicken 65. I think that's the tail is fits for this one. Okay, so let's go make this chicken 65, famous chicken 65. So we have 1.5 pound of chicken over here, and half a cup of yogurt, and I have 1 egg, and ginger garlic paste, 1.5 spoon, and salt, black pepper, oops, 1 spoon, and crushed curry leaves, 1 spoon, and salt to taste, and zira powder, cumin powder, 1 spoon, and dhania powder, coriander powder, half a spoon, and I have a red Kashmiri chili powder, Kashmiri red pepper. Okay, for the color, it's not very hot, so we're gonna use that. So let's go ahead and marinate this dish with all the spices. Then we are gonna go back to next step. That's gonna have some more spices, some more things to add in there. Then we are gonna do the tempering tadka. Okay, let's go make first marinate this chicken 65. Okay, let's see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First yogurt goes in there. Then we'll put this egg. Then garlic ginger paste. Curry leaves crushed. Black pepper, salt, cumin powder, Kashmiri red pepper, and coriander powder, just a little bit, okay, not too much, otherwise it's gonna overpower the recipe. So we're gonna mix this real good and leave it for at least 2 hours. If you want, if you like it more colorful, you can add red food color. I'm not adding. I think this red pepper is gonna give the enough color for my dish. This dish is deep fried. I'm gonna deep fry for you all, but usually at home I just pan fry them. Maybe I can give you the recipe for the pan frying another day, how I make it in the air fryer and also on the pan. Okay friends, now we are gonna, it's been marinating for 2 hours. Now we are gonna add some rice flour to make crispy, crunchy fry, and some cornstarch. Okay, I'm not gonna put the whole thing. Let's see, if I needed more I can put some more, but I think that's gonna be enough. And we already have the egg in there. And now we'll add some Maybe I can put some more. Okay. So it will coat slightly on the chicken. You don't want very big, like a really fried chicken, you know. So it's going to be fried chicken, but very lightly coated with the flour and the egg. So maybe a little bit of corn flour. So we are going to go ahead and fry this first. Then we'll do the tempering, tadaka. Okay guys, my oil is getting hot. We do not want oil to be very hot as soon as you put the chicken, otherwise it will burn. So we don't want very cold oil either. So let's put this stick and see if the bubbles is coming from the oil. That means the oil is ready. See, it's coming. Yeah, did you see that oil bubbles coming from the oil? So we're gonna put this chicken now in there. Okay, and not the whole chicken in one time, one piece at a time, otherwise the oil will get cold and the chicken will release the water in the pan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So like that is fine. If you are health cautious, use it just pan fried chicken like how I use it, but this is, I'm just doing it to show people. And I have some of my son's friends here, my nephews here, so they will eat, the kids will eat fried food, so we'll just do this. I'm just frying. Okay guys, now it's changing the color, so we can turn this around. Let's cook both sides anyway. The oil was, they're dipped in the oil. So we're gonna fry some more until it's become crispier. Okay guys, our chicken is ready. So we're gonna remove this into a plate with the paper towel to remove the excess oil from there. We're gonna put it in here. Okay guys, we fry all 2-3 batches of chicken. It's ready. Now we're gonna make tadka out of it. So we're gonna put the pan on, this big pan, and then I'm gonna put the same oil from that pan here, and then we're gonna make tadka. That's it. It's actually not very difficult dish. It's very easy. You just have to fry this chicken. You can even pan fry this chicken. This oil. I'm a little bit picky about the oil. So I'm trying to remove all the oil. Okay guys, I put this big pan over here. I'm using the same oil what I fried the chicken. I put it like 2-3 spoons of oil. Now we are gonna add garlic. I have garlic over here, 4 to 5 cloves, and I have some ginger, 1 inch piece of ginger, and few green peppers and few dry pepper and some curry leaves. Okay, we are gonna fry all these things in the oil. Let's first put the garlic and ginger and this pepper, and just cut it back, all these things. Real good. Okay, this is almost ready. So we will put some garlic and ginger sauce. It's optional. If you don't like spicy, don't put it. Alright, I'll put all this chicken in there. Okay guys, our chicken 65 is ready. It's so yummy. I tasted, it's very good. Okay, if you like my videos, please click like and share and subscribe. Okay, bye. See you next video.